Hi guys, my name is Treasure, and in today's video I'm going to tell you why I am studying industrial engineering and maybe why you should study industrial engineering if you're interested. Just a little backstory. I'm a student studying in Germany. I come from Cameroon and I did not always want to do industrial engineering. If you're following me like on TikTok and Instagram, you can see my story why I are from medicine to industrial engineering. But in this video, we'll be focusing why industrial engineering and also some questions that I've been getting from different people on whether I'm studying industrial engineering or something else, why I'm studying it, how much it costs to live in Germany. This is my iPad, so I'll be using it in this video. So first of all, what is industrial engineering? I have like this type of definition that not a lot of people use, but it's how I understand it. But before we get into it, let's check what Google has to say about it. Industrial engineering is all about optimizing complex processes and systems to improve efficiency, productivity, and cost effectiveness. It has a lot of things, but I don't want to get into details. What I like using are these three words to describe what I'm studying: business, engineering, and technology. Industrial engineering is all about teaching you the basics of the most important things in these three courses I just mentioned. The fundamentals or the most important things you need to know about business, how to build a company, how to run a company, how to be an engineer on site, on the field, know how to program, how to create a database for your business. All of these things are really all about running a company. I'm currently in my third semester and we are doing mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, database 2, statistics, and German. German is the B1 level. We don't have B2 level yet, but we do have A1, A2, and now B1. So for my international students that do want to get better in German, you can actually sign up for the course which the school provides, because usually language courses are very expensive, but the school sort of like covers that cost. So it's really beneficial and really nice of them. Now, why industrial engineering? My dad studied in Germany for 14 years and he did industrial engineering. So that's why I even got this idea of it. And he explained to me how it brings a lot of opportunities, how it gives you like a broader knowledge on different things. So you're like a jack of all trades, if I can put it. I know it's like a bit weird because there's never a jack of all trades, but it's actually that way. You learn different things and you actually turn to master them, and it literally gives you this flexibility of working anywhere and everywhere, especially for the fact that we are studying in English and not German. I mean, it's fine to study in German, but when you study in English, it's giving you this wider scope to work anywhere in the world, because English is a very versatile language, so you can practically use it anywhere. And also you can choose literally what field you want to work in. Let's say today you want to be an accountant, in a year you want to be an engineer. Literally it can be anything because you've studied something that teaches you about everything, or most of it. And now let's get into the interesting part, your comments. The first comment is, what are the job options available after completing mechatronics and automation program? For international students, is it free here? So mechatronics and automation is also a program that my school, Hochschule Bielefeld, gives. They offer this program together with industrial engineering in English. So if you're interested, I'm just gonna leave the link below where you can see more on industrial engineering and mechatronics and automation program in my school. So the job options are a lot, I won't lie, but obviously it's really good if you want to work in Germany for you to have like the level for it. I don't have a lot of knowledge on mechatronics and automation because that's not my degree, but I do know someone who has that knowledge. This guy called Michael. I think I'm just gonna add one of his videos around here, or just like put a link in the description for you to go check out his channel. He studies mechatronics and automation, so he knows this more than I do. The options are actually quite wide, because during I think 2-3 weeks ago we had a job messe where many companies came and they pitched like what their companies do, and I did see a lot of programs with those who want to work in the Maschinenbau, also building machines and stuff in the company. It's always needed, and most of these companies always like to take in students because they can groom them easily and they can stay more longer in the company. So if you go to Google, like mechatronics, let's go to LinkedIn because it's obviously LinkedIn. We do have an electrical engineer needed in Smith. in Nordrhein-Westfalen, which is like where I live. They need a hardware engineer. Another one is a printed circuit board design engineer. So all of this kind of engineers fall under sort of program we learn, and so like just different titles or different jobs you can actually get in Germany. What I'm trying to say is you have a lot of jobs offer available, very good if you do have a German language or if you're studying German right away, so they can easily pick you. If not, try to apply to international companies for this, and also maybe have an open mind to work somewhere else, not just in Germany, since you just have the English level. Another one is, if I have more information about the application part, like the scholarships and stuff like that. For application, you can just go to the website, Hochschule Bielefeld, HSBI, I think. So I do know that you can apply through the school's portal, but I applied through Uni Assist. I don't know if you know Uni Assist. It's an app that shows you like different schools in Germany. When you put in your degree program or what you want to study, and then it shows you the schools that offer that, and then you can click on how many schools you want to apply. So I want to apply to this and that and that and that and that. When you choose them, I think before you have to upload like your documents that you want the school to have, and then they send it to all the schools at once so that you like have more options. That's what I did, and I think the fee for every application form that is sent to each school is like 75 euros. I know it's not cheap, but that's what I did, and that's what got me to Hochschule Bielefeld. But I do know other people just go directly to the portal, the actual school's portal, and apply there. I'm not too versed with that because again I did not apply through the portal, but I can have a look on how to do that if you want. Hey, also guys, I do have this question. What is like the best camera for like this type of like videos? Because I'm currently using my iPhone 11 Pro and it's not really the best in terms of storage and also filming. I do want to give you guys better content, and I don't know like what camera I should get. So maybe if you guys do know one, you can just like help me write in the comments and I will check it out, okay? And also for those who are interested in mechatronics and automation, I have a friend of mine called Michael. He is currently enrolled in this program and he does videos on it. So he will be like the best person to speak about mechatronics and automation. I'm just gonna put his handle here, here. And you can like check his videos and see more on this degree program. If you have any questions, please feel free to write in his videos, like in the comment section, and he'll definitely answer you. I was editing and I just saw I didn't mention about how much it costs for me to live here. So basically, I work as a student assistant and I earn around 600 euros. So that is enough for me to pay like my bills. And also, sorry, that's like stuff on the table. But if you want a job, you can work as a student in the uni or something, whatever Bereich you want to work in, or you just like go out, look for like a part-time job or a mini job, where it's mostly mini jobs where you can work as a servant, as like in the kitchen, or service where you give people their food, like a waitress or waiter. You can also do like this jobs at T.r.e.a where you can carry some stuffs and they pay you per hour. The minimum wage per hour in Germany is 13 euros per hour. So if like they do want to pay you lower than that, sort of like raise a bit of concern and make sure your contracts are being given for every job. If someone tells you that, oh, we need job, you don't need a contract, please leave from that. I have had instances, at least 3 instances where I worked as a waitress and I wasn't given my contract, so therefore no money. I think my second job did pay me, but it paid me like 71 euros for working like for 3 weeks, and it's like, it's not supposed to be that way. So make sure they give you your contract, insist on it, say no contract, no working, no? So yeah, that's it. If you want a video on me speaking more on about this bad/good experience with my old jobs and then my new job, you can just write in the comment section. I'll let you know. And with all that said, I will see you in the next video.